What's truly important about Tai Chi? Many problems have arisen during the process of learning Tai Chi for many people nowadays. What is the true meaning conveyed in Tai Chi? I don't know the principles behind each move in Tai Chi either. Today, I will carefully analyze what kind of changes Tai Chi can bring to our bodies. I will explain in an easy-to-understand way how Tai Chi serves as a health-preserving exercise. The practice of Tai Chi enhances the flexibility of joints throughout the body, the tension of muscles, the flow of meridians, the rotational power, the expanding ki, and the extension of extremities. How can I achieve this effect? First and foremost, we must establish a fundamental concept in our minds. Our body is an integrated whole. Whenever we initiate any movement, we must engage this entire system to execute the action, rather than merely performing superficial motions for the sake of movement alone that would result in nothing more than isolated actions. How can we discover this holistic movement? Take, for example, the commencing form in Tai Chi. Sink the body as a unified whole. Relax and lower the hips. Allow the crotch to trace a circular path as it descends. Extend the knees toward the distal direction and push the hands upward and outward with force. However, throughout this process, the shoulders must remain still and they should be relaxed downward while the abdomen is tightened. The buttocks are drawn inward, and the intention is to extend upward with a sense of elongation. Achieve 360-degree rotation and expansion in every joint and extremity. Guide your breath to reach every part of the body, creating a seamless flow of energy that permeates the entire system. This is the true essence of Tai Chi, and the only way to achieve genuine health. Performing just the external movement is an empty form, rendering it largely ineffective.